Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Purple color. Purple color. A for apricot. B for banana. C for carrot. D for donut. E for eggplant. F for fruits. Dark green color. G for girl. G for girl. H for hen. I for eyes. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. A for apple, red color. B for ball. C for candy. D for dog. E for egg. E for egg. F for fish. Light green color. G for goat. G for goat. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lemon. Purple color, red color, dark green color and light green color. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg, F for fish, G for goat, H for hen, I for eyes, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion. A for apricot, B for book, C for camel, D for donkey, E for elephant, F for fan. G for girl, H for house, I for eyes, J for joker, K for king, L for lion. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.